Good morning, boys and girls. Here's our agenda for Monday, February 1st, 2021. This is the very first day of February, and boys and girls, this is the month of Valentine's Day. So we have some fun Valentine's activities planned. At 9:30 a.m., we have Family Life. And today, we're going to be learning about our special families and how families look different. In language, we're going to be talking about voice and writing. And we're going to begin to write an opinion paragraph introduction. At 12:30 p.m., you have math. It's time for games, boys and girls, because I have fun games designed for grade 2 and fun games designed for grade 3. And you are going to play and tell me which one is your favorite and which one is your least favorite. At 1:30 p.m., you have French with Madame Osterman. Remember, boys and girls, try your best and have fun. If you ever need help, I'm always here for you in the virtual classroom to help you. Have a good day.